Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the Boomba Racing shift plate and transmission bushings for the GR Corolla. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. If installing the shift plate only, skip to 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Begin by removing the spring clips holding the shifter linkage and disconnect the linkage. Remove the brackets holding the shifter linkage. Loosen the bolts holding the bracket. Remove bracket. Remove stock transmission bushings. Superglue the Boomba Racing transmission bushings. Reinstall the transmission bracket. Reinstall the shifter linkage and brackets. Mount the linkages with the spring clips. Prepare Boomba Racing shift plate. Remove spring clip and washer and install shift plate. Reinstall the spring clip. Mount top part of shift plate and tighten down. You're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.